So I'm going to show you guys how I set up my Sublime text to do one of the FreeCodeCamp projects, and this is specifically just for the first section, which is responsive web design certification, because I'm going to use only HTML file and CSS. So let's click one of the projects, and then so this is like the sample that you want to make your final result to look like similar, not similar, like to have like similar structure to it. So usually I put it like on the side, so like on the top corner right here, and then I'm going to the link to fork the projects. So I go to the link, and right here, so you also need to sign up an account on codepen.io. So it's like once you sign up and signed in, and you click that link, which is this link right here, you can like click on fork. So when you click on fork, you can like view this template which have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript on your dashboard. So in order to go to dashboard, you need to click on your, I don't know, this icon, and then go to dashboard. And as you can see, this is the template that I just forked, and you can rename it. Can I rename it? Oh, there we go. So you can rename it to what's it called? Responsive web design via survey form. Copy that. Alright, looks good. And now you need to open Sublime Text. So you also need to install Sublime Text, and okay, open it again. So when you first open Sublime Text, it looks like playing like this. What you want to do is you want to press Command N, or you go to File and then New File, like to get a new file. So the first file that you want to create is an HTML file. So go ahead and save it by doing Command S or File and then save. And to make like this tutorial or this video simpler, I'm going to save everything on desktop. My desktop is really clean, as you can see, nothing in there. So first, let me create a folder. Let's call it that. And then go inside that folder and call this index.html, and then click on save, and then you want to type HTML and then press tab to get this. And it's not a requirement to do title, but what you want to do is you want to copy this link, the script, back here, put on top here, so that CodePen.io understands like where to find CSS inside the system. However, we also need to, next step is you need to create another file. So that have to be a CS file. So I press Command N to get like a new file right here. Oh, this again, file, and then new file. And then you want to save it and call it style.css. There you go, looks good. And I also saved this in on the desktop. So as you can see, we go to desktop. You can see there's two files. So this is how. So now we need to set up to make sure that index.html knows where style.css is. So what you want to do is you want to copy this line. Let me go and get it. Yep. Nope, I don't want to show that. So you want to copy this line. Put it like in head. So what it does is it's saying that it's going to get all the style sheet from styles.css. So like for some reason you don't want to call it style.css, which I did. You can change this to whatever name that you like, you prefer. And in order to test it, we can. So the way that I like to set up is I like to put style.css on top and ht index on the bottom. Oh, the app that I use to do like this, like similar window, it's called what is it called? Better. Let's see. I think better something. Better Snap Tool. This is the app. It's like $2 on App Store. Here we go. I need it. So let's see how we can edit it. So if you go to index.html on your desktop, you can just like click this and it will open on Safari, but you don't want to open it on Safari. You want to open it on Chrome because it's easier to debug on Chrome. So right now it's nothing because we have nothing in HTML. So there we go. So this is like my setup. So I have my style on top left, I have my HTML file on bottom left, and I have the template, the what is it called, the sample on top right, and my actual code display is on bottom right. So what I want to do is I can just like do something. What do I want to do? Cat love everyone. That's so sweet. There we go. So and then you want to save it. I'll command S, and then I'm going to buy you one day when I have money. And then you want to refresh right here so you can see cat love everyone. And then in style.css you can do body, and then you can do background, and then you can do black background, then you do save again, and then you reload right here. Oh, and then let's see if we change color to white, it should update. There we go. So as you can see, you can like develop this like with your Sublime text, and once you're ready, like once you get everything that looks similar to this, like to the what is it called, sample, you can go to your CodePen.io and then click on dashboard, and remember the template that we forked earlier. Click on that template, and so what we want to paste in here is literally everything from body. So what I would like to do, because if you look at this code, like on the HTML, it just have the script. So I already like transferred the script to here. So it's cool. So you don't have, you can just like do Command A and C. I mean like copy all. So what I do is Command A to select all, and then Command C to copy, and then here I do Command A to select all and then delete, and then I do like Command V to copy. I mean to paste. Let me redo it again. So first you need to highlight everything. You can do Command A or select it, and then you click on copy, and then you want to clear everything in HTML, and then you want to click paste. Make sure that you have this line on top, and then you can also like remove this part, the like from head top here, and then remove HTML right here. And for CSS, you can just like copy everything and then paste it. And if you look at the result, it should look cool. Right here, you can see cat love everyone, which is exactly like here. So again, this setup, it should be good for FreeCodeCamp first lessons, the design, the responsive web design, because I haven't like gone through the rest yet. I'm not sure like what the other setup that I might need. I might need to set up JavaScript too, but for now this is good for all of this projects right here for responsive web design. So I hope this is helpful, and I would like to share. If you have any question, feel free to write something on the comment section. Okay, other than that, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.